Well, guys, we are once again under a severe thunderstorm warning. Right now, it's just raining really hard. It's pouring. It's pouring. And the wind is picking up. The wind is picking up. Look at this. Oh, God. Wow. Wow. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Wow. Oh, my God. Wow. It's probably going to be the same thing as part 7, because this is part 9. This is part 9. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh boy. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh my God. Wow. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh boy. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. It's raining really hard. Oh! The thunder though. The thunder though, did it come from up there? I don't know where the lightning came from. I don't know where the lightning came from. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow, it's raining really hard. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh my God, it's raining. Oh my, wow. It's raining really hard now. Oh! Whoa! I think I caught that. I was looking up and it came from, I don't know what, it came from up there or something. Oh my god, wow. Like, look at this. Like, oh my god, look at all that. Oh my, wow. Oh my god, rain is starting to come in. Rain's coming in. Rain's coming in. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god, it's pouring. It's pouring. Oh my god. Wow. It's like coming in. Rain is starting to come in the house. It's facing me. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, I don't want, oh my god. Oh my god. This is insane. Oh my god. The thing is blocked. Wow. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this, it's all blocked now. I can't go anywhere. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. It's so crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. This is really light rain. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Wow, it's pouring. It's pouring rain. Now the screen's blocked and everything. Oh my god, wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Wow, that's it. That was insane. Wow. That was insane. This is insane. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Wow, look at the thunder cross by. Oh my god, wow. Okay, rain is coming in right now. Okay, rain is starting to come in right now. I have to focus this. Oh, it's getting on focus now. Whoa! Whoa! Wow, look at the thunder crossbar. Oh my god. Wow, there's lightning going on. Wow, look at the lightning crossbar. Okay, I have to move a little bit closer. Okay, now it's starting again. Here we go, round number 2. Round number 2. Here we go, round number 2. Round number 2. Wow. Okay, oh my god, wow. This is insane. Okay, I'm gonna film over here now. I'm gonna film over here. Oh, the sun is coming out. The sun's coming out. Wow, the sun is coming out. The sun's coming out, guys. Oh my god. Wow. Whoa, look at the thunder. Oh my god, that thunder though. Oh my god. Oh my god, that thunder though. I'm not expecting to get these storms like this. This is the second time this happened. This is the second time this happened. Back in from part 7. This is part 9. And oh my god, these are some crazy storms that we keep on getting. These are some crazy storms. But I think the worst is past now. I think the worst is past now. Yeah, the worst is past now. The worst is past. Yeah. Okay, the worst is past now. The worst is past. The worst is past. Wow. There's still thunder going on. Thunder is still going on. There's still thunder going around, so the storm isn't over yet. The worst is past, but the storm is not over because there's still lightning and thunder going on. Okay, I think the worst is past now. The worst is past. There's still thunder and lightning, but the worst is past now. Man, I knew right from the storm. Because I had a feeling we were under a severe thunderstorm warning because I started to hear some rain and I started to hear some not lightning, thunder, like big bangs of thunder because there was lightning all over the place and wow. Like I've never went through anything like that ever. It's still flashy, by the way. It's still flashy. There's a blue sky coming over to my left. but it's still flashy to my right. But I haven't seen any lightning though yet. Okay, I think the storm is over now, so I'm gonna end the video here. Okay, the storm is done now. Alright, now the storm is done. Okay, so I'm gonna end the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment on if you've seen a storm like this. So anyways, guys, I will see you in the next video.